Okay, hopefully we are online. Let me see here if, yeah, we are online. And what I'm going to do is create a number guessing game in Java. This is a basic program. So basically we're gonna learn Java with the basics. And starting from scratch, what we're gonna do is installing first the IDE in order to proceed with this lecture. First, we're gonna heads up to Google and install the IntelliJ IDE. Yeah, we're gonna install it here. Windows. I hope you can see my screen. Accept all, and it's downloading here. It's gonna take a little bit. So guys, for this current lecture, I just decided to learn Java from the basics, from the very beginning, and documenting it by going live on this channel. And I hope you will be with me in this journey. It will be a really stressful one, but we will get through it. And yeah, hopefully we learn together and grow together. Let's go here. I think download is completed. No, it's not done yet. Let's see if it's done. Yeah, it's done. We double click on it. It's here. In order to install it, we first have to double click on it. And why doesn't it appear here? I don't know. But we're gonna go. Yeah, it's installing. So after installing the IntelliJ IDE, we will need to, actually I will have to share my screen with you, not only the web browser, but my screen. And in order to do that, I first have to wait the IDE to appear on my workspace. What's this? What's this? While we are waiting, guys, let's go ahead and test the quality of the stream. Let's go ahead and test the quality of the stream. Let's go ahead and test the quality of the stream. Let's go ahead. Okay, guys. So basically, IntelliJ is the download is completed. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you. Okay, that's my screen. Okay. Now we're gonna click on next. I hope you can see my screen. And next, we're gonna create a desktop shortcut. And we're gonna add all of these. And next, install. So IntelliJ is installing right now. We're gonna use this library first, this idea first, and then start creating some basics Java project. These Java projects, guys, are what's gonna stand as my workstone. Yeah, where I will start building Java projects from scratch and start documenting it. And hopefully, in the near future, I can use this project on my portfolio. So as you can see, the installing start already. So we just have to wait. So I have my monitor here in front of me. That's why my eyes are up there. I mean, I'm watching the live stream on the screen. It wouldn't hurt though to use VS Code to make this project, but I'm gonna use IntelliJ because I want to start from scratch and learn everything about Java. And I will be doing this live every not every day though, every week, maybe throughout 2 or 3 days a week. Yeah, I will be doing this live maybe 2 or 3 days a week. We'll get familiar with each other. I don't know how many people are watching this live. Maybe it's only I, but it's worth it. Let's go ahead and see how the live stream is going. This IntelliJ IDE is so powerful, guys. You have to have a good computer. I mean, yeah, you have to have a good, really good computer to download it. Go and close this tab. Hopefully we don't need this anymore. You know what would be perfect is before starting this live, already have installed the idea. Yeah, that would be perfect because that is taking way too much time. But since it's a live stream, we're gonna ignore this because if it were a video, we would do this already. We're gonna go with the flow and do it as it is. So the download is completed. Okay, now we're gonna run IntelliJ. We're gonna confirm that we have read and accept the terms, but just for the sake of fairness, I'm gonna pass it like this and confirm. Yes, continue. Okay. No, I don't need this. Next, I'm gonna allow access. Gonna skip this import. Okay, basically this is our IntelliJ. So this is our IntelliJ. This is where we're gonna create our project. Okay. This project, what I hope to learn in this project is to practice loops, conditionals, user input handling, and random number generation in Java. What we're gonna do is, if the guessed number is bigger than the actual number, the program will respond with a message that the guessed number is higher than the actual number. But if it's if the number the user guessed is smaller than the actual number, the program will respond with the message that the guess number is lower than the actual number. Equally, if the guess number is equal to the actual number, the program will end with this readable message. To implement this game, we'll have to follow this script right here. We're gonna generate a random number using the math.random method in Java. We're gonna take the user input using scanner, the scanner library, and we're gonna compare the guess with the random number and provide the feedback. We're gonna use a loop to limit the number of attempts the user have. And yeah, that's it. First, we're gonna create a new project here in IntelliJ. And this project will be number and create. The project view is being created. Okay, we're gonna close this right here and go in main.java right here. And let's clear this here. And we're gonna start writing our code. First, we're gonna import the Java util library. You know, do is import java.util.scanner. There is a problem here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and public class number, and this public class gonna have a public static void number And let this be scanner with capital S. Here, we're gonna have scanner. And let's say scanner equal new scanner. System that in and we're gonna start the number. We're gonna generate the random number. It's gonna be a plus and 100 times math that random. Number of attempt they can try 5 times. And here we're gonna print on the screen system that out. Gonna be with capital S. That out. If we are experiencing some issues, we're gonna go ahead and search on Google or ask Stack Overflow to get some numbers, because we are not afraid to get it wrong, because we are learning. Basically, I'm learning. I'm not afraid to make mistakes right here, because it is part of the process. Just so you know, it's running out there, and yeah, not really that important, but it's running. Okay. It's gonna be system that out that print ln, and that's gonna be a text. A number is chosen between 1 and 100. Okay. After that, we're gonna print again on the screen this time. Dot out. Dot print. ln. It's gonna be you have. We're gonna make a string concatenation here. We're gonna the value here, k, this value, and plus again attempts to guess the correct number. Okay. Now we're gonna make the loops. Let's comment here, loop for number of attempts. Okay. The loop is it's gonna be a for statement. It's for int e equal 0 if e is less than the number of attempts, we're gonna increment e plus plus. Okay. And now we're gonna send a message to the user to tell him to enter his guest number. Enter your guess. Okay. And we're gonna take the number guessing, the guessing number, and print it in the screen. Next line. Now we're gonna check the conditions. If the guess number is equal to the number, what we're gonna do, we're gonna print a message and we're gonna say congratulations. You guessed the right number. After that, we're gonna close our program. Now, other case that may present is what if the guess number is less than the actual number? It's gonna else if we're gonna the guess number is less than the actual number, what we're gonna do is print a message system.out print ln and the message gonna be the number is greater than, and make a string concatenation yes. And if the guessing number is greater than the actual number, we're gonna it's another else if. Okay, that's gonna take the guess. It's gonna be the guess greater than the actual number. And we're gonna print a message the number is less than concatenate here. Yes. I think we have an issue here. Is all this closing up? If the conditions, the first one, if it gets the right number. The second one, if is the number guessing is greater, and the third one, it's gonna be only a guess. In else. We're gonna erase this. Okay. If the user run out of attempts right now, we're gonna print a message instead system dot out dot print ln. You've reached the number of attempt. Okay. After telling the user that if he has reached the number of attempts, we're gonna tell him that what was the actual number, the correct number. The correct number was, and a string concatenation, a plus the actual number. After that, we're gonna close our program. Let's see that close. What's it been?